Welcome to my channel. How to keep your Toyota Camry axles in perfect condition. Step 1. Avoid potholes and rough roads. Drive carefully and slow down when approaching potholes, speed bumps, and rough road surfaces. Hard impacts can damage your Toyota Camry's axles over time. Step 2. Don't overload your vehicle. Carrying excessive weight puts extra stress on the axles and suspension system. Follow the recommended load limits in your owner's manual. Step 3. Inspect CV boots regularly. Check the rubber CV boots near the axles for cracks, tears, or grease leaks. Damaged boots can allow dirt and water to enter, causing axle wear. Step 4. Listen for unusual noises. Pay attention to clicking, popping, or knocking sounds when turning. These noises may indicate a worn CV joint or axle problem. Step 5. Keep wheels properly aligned. Poor wheel alignment can place unnecessary strain on the axles. Have your alignment checked if the vehicle pulls to one side. Step 6. Rotate tires on schedule. Regular tire rotation helps ensure even tire wear and reduces stress on the drivetrain and axle components. Step 7. Check for vibrations while driving. If you notice vibrations during acceleration or at highway speeds, have the axles inspected. Vibrations can be an early warning sign of axle damage. Step 8. Maintain suspension components. Worn shocks, struts, and suspension parts can increase axle stress. Replace damaged suspension components as needed. Step 9. Address grease leaks immediately. If you see grease around the wheels or axle area, inspect the CV boots and joints right away. Fixing leaks early can prevent costly repairs. Step 10. Schedule regular vehicle inspections. Have a qualified mechanic inspect your Toyota Camry's axles and CV joints during routine maintenance visits. Early detection helps prevent major problems. Thanks for watching.